Wave your hands if you felt a channel for the last kind of 10 minutes of that. There you go. See, all you have to do is be willing to talk about these channels. All you have to do is say, hello channels, and you talk about them, and at a certain point they just arrive and heal you. It's simple, really. Talk, say hello, get healed. Get transformed into a new person. I so enjoyed that. Oh my God. I don't know about you, but that last 10 minutes, it just felt like every illness, lifetimes of karma, oh, going home, and like whoever the gods are, yeah, we'll have that, give that to us, we'll take that. They're probably stuffed now, they're probably lying down going, oh my God. We just picked up all that stuff, oh, I'm going to rest now. Oh no. They've probably got their own gods, they give it off to them. Alright, so that was the bladder. I hope you've learnt something. I have. I've got no idea what it is, but I've learnt something. I'm going to do one. It's all falling into place. We're going to do one. The next one is we've done the motion of the hands, legs, hands, feet, arms and legs in this. We're going to continue, and we're going to do a whole series, and we're going to work through all of the energies. We're going to work through them and on their energy levels. So it'd be the deep earth energies, the fire energies, the yellow energies, the lung energies, the blue energies and the high energies. But we'll spend 4 webinars going through that, through the hands, feet, arms and legs, and connecting it into the spine. And then the one after that will be all of the energies of the spine, and I think all of the energies of the central brain complex and brain. That'll be quite mind-blowing. I think we've got to do this one with the arms and legs to get some kind of grounding, so we can blow our brains out with the one after that. No one will be around after that. We'll all need carers after that one. People will be leading us around, looking after us. It's a bit like before that point you're not really whole. If you think, I've got this bad stuff and I've got to get rid of it, you think, oh, I'm polluted. But if that bad stuff, or what you consider as stress, becomes food for the bladder, that heals the bladder, suddenly you're whole, because that can just go into the bladder and it turns into love, because the bladder's the heart for the blue circuit, and whatever goes through the heart, it goes in one side as whatever it is, and it comes out the other side as love. So, and we have that within us and in the bladder. So absolutely, yeah.